Hey, Facebook world. So I had a friend over this afternoon, and when she was going to leave, I opened my front door, and there was not just one, but there was two boxes from Young Living. One big one, one little one. And that was a good day. You know, it's a good day when you open your door and there's two boxes for Young Living. So if you're one of my friends and you don't like natural health and you are not one of my Young Living peeps, then you're probably not going to enjoy this video, so just keep scrolling. But if you are into natural health and into essential oils and you like Young Living, then it's always fun to see what other people get in their boxes. And I like to tell you guys a little bit about each thing so that you know how you could use it if you're interested. So let's start. First of all, this was my Essential Rewards order. And I also got a ton of freebies in here, so that is always fun to go through. So let's start with that. I should have got all this packing stuff out. Sorry, guys. Okay, so the first thing I got, which I'm excited, I've never tried before, is their Sleek Citrus Slim capsules. They have done some studies on these, and these really can help you if your goal is to lose weight. So I'm giving this a try for the first time, and I'll have to let you guys know what I think. But this is a capsule that has certain oils in it and some other things that are supposed to help with like boosting your metabolism and keeping your hunger under control and things like that. So it also came, I got a package of things. Hey, everybody. And it came with the Sleek Essence. This is like an oil blend that you can add to your water, and it like is a combo pack. So I got these both. I've read a lot of things about the Sleek line, and I've heard amazing things, and I've had lots of friends that have had good results with losing weight. And I'm one of those people that I don't like to try something unless I'm in a good place in my mind where I'm like really going to be committed to like making sure I'm doing all the things that you're supposed to do so you don't waste money, right? So I decided I'm going to give this a shot, and I'm excited to see how it is. I have had this before and added it to my water, and it tastes super good. It's got like citrus oils and then I think like spearmint in it. And it does help kind of curb your appetite. So that's kind of cool. But I've never like actually done them where I'm like, okay, I've never done this one at all. And this, when I got it, I was more like, ooh, it's going to make my water taste good. Not like I was really going to give the whole weight loss thing a try. So I'm really going to give it a go, and I'll have to let you guys know. But so I got those two things from Sleek, from Young Living, obviously. I got some Cortistop. I don't know if you guys can see that. So Cortistop is one of Young Living's supplements that I love. It is actually like when you are stressed out, your body produces a lot of cortisol, and it really can screw up all your hormones, which then can screw up like how hungry you are all the time, or how you deal with stress, or all of those things. So Cortistop is a natural supplement that is supposed to help bring your cortisol levels back into a normal, healthy balance. And I actually ordered this hoping I would get it before I went to convention, because convention in Utah is crazy and there's so many people and you're doing stuff from morning to night, but it didn't come in time. But I'm excited to get it. It's one of the supplements where you like take it. I think they tell you to take it for like a month and then take a month off. So I haven't had it for a while, and I'm excited to have it back because I do feel like it is really good at like just bringing me back to balance. If you're someone that deals with stress, life, hello, but I have an autistic son, so sometimes my life can get a little bit more chaotic, I think, than the average person. Maybe not, I don't know. But it really helps just keep me feeling like even keel with my emotions and stuff. So I highly recommend Cortistop as a supplement. Next thing I'm super excited I got was the Cool Azul Pain Cream. This stuff is one of Young Living's over-the-counter things. It is so amazing. This stuff is so great, like, you know, kind of like your natural, completely natural Ben Gay or Icy Hot or that kind of thing as far as like the feeling or effect that it has, but it doesn't have any toxic junk in it like that stuff has. And it works so good. And a little tip that I always tell people is that if you use this after you take a hot bath or after you take a hot shower, the effect is even more amazing, like, because your pores are all open and like that icy hot feeling is amazing. So I was in a car accident way back in December, and I've been dealing with some, hey Sunny, I've been dealing with some tension on my one side of my neck because I got hit by the side and kind of like got a little whiplash here on the side. And so this stuff has been amazing. And I just hear, like, from my members, this Cool Azul pain cream is the stuff I hear so often. People be like, I love that stuff. My husband loves that stuff. That stuff works so good. So super glad to have this back because I ran out, and then, you know, I was kind of hurting for certain in my neck and I didn't have it. So that I had to get more of. Okay, so the rest is oil tubes. All the oils. Okay, let me get this box out of here. Okay, and I did get, sorry, I think I got a little like information thing from the citrus one, so I'm excited to check that out too. Or the sleek, yeah, the sleek stuff. Okay, so oil tubes, because everybody loves all the oils, right? So many of these oils were free. Young Living is so generous, and they always give away free oils when you order a certain amount, and my order qualified for some of them. So cypress is one of the free ones. Love cypress. It smells good, great tree oil. I love to diffuse it. Mixes really good with like citrus oils in the diffuser. Not that I would need it for this, but it's also good for like bedwetting and things like that for younger ones. If any of you have little ones that you're potty training, a lot of people will put this over the bladder of their kids, and they say it really helps with the overnight stuff. So just a little extra note about cypress if you didn't know that. All right, let's see what else. Lavender was another free one, which I was so excited about. Lavender is one of those oils that I always need on my order, and like how cool to get it free, because I always feel like, you know, sometimes you want to try new stuff, but you need the necessity oils like lavender. Lavender is amazing in the diffuser at night for sleep. This is one of the ones that was life-changing for my son to sleep with a diffuser at night in his room, because he didn't sleep for a really, really long time. I think he was like 5, and he didn't sleep through the night. But good for skin too, like all things skin. Great this time of year for like if you've been in the sun too long and you didn't use your natural sunscreen, put this in a little aloe vera with a little peppermint oil and put it on you, and you're going to be thanking me. All right, citronella was another free one. There's so many free oils this month. I'm so excited. Citronella, you guys know, is an amazing oil. You can put it on you if you want to be outside, annoyance-free, if you want to be on your deck. And, you know, people have citronella, the fake citronella candles and stuff or whatnot. Why not use the real oil, right? Put a little dab on you, go for a hike, and you'll be all good. And then lemongrass, another free one. Lemongrass is another great outdoor oil for the same thing if you just want to be outside and not be annoyed. And it's also amazing in the diffuser as far as like smells go. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats, and sometimes my house just smells like pets. And I put this oil in the diffuser, and I feel like it's just so fresh smelling and clean smelling. So, and lemongrass is also really great for skin things. So a lot of people say it helps with like occasional blemishes and things like that. So a lot of people make cool face oils with that. Orange oil. Pretty sure this was another freebie. Love orange oil. It's one of the most inexpensive oils, and it's so versatile. Obviously, you can use it in your water. This is a Vitality, so you can use it in your water to flavor your water. You can add it to food, but it smells so good in the diffuser. Yes. Lemongrass on wool dryer balls. That is a great tip. Get rid of those dryer sheets, because lemongrass is going to make your laundry smell awesome. And no chemicals. Orange mixed with like patchouli or any of like the heavier kind of earthier smelling oils in the diffuser is awesome. Orange is one that, because it's cheaper, it's like $10 for a bottle this size, I think, wholesale. If you add it to other oils in the diffuser that are more expensive, you feel like you can kind of enjoy those oils but still extend the price range, make it a little cheaper. So, and orange is just a happy oil. So I know a lot of people love to wear it as like a perfume because A, it smells good, and B, it's cheap and it makes you feel good because it's a citrus. Citrus oils are good for that. One thing with citrus oils, if you don't know this, I'm just giving a little oil class while I'm going through this. Citrus oils can make you more sensitive to the sun. So don't go putting orange all over your face and then going out to suntan because you probably will burn a little faster. Okay, next, oh my gosh. We used the last drop this morning, Joy. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite blends. I use it every day. I love to put it over my heart. It's very floral, but if you have any mood, if you're a person who has moods, ups and downs, Joy oil is like so great. My son gets very moody, and if he's having like a meltdown situation with his autism, I'm always like putting this on my hand and then going over and like giving him a big squeeze and just like getting it on him, or I'll put it in the diffuser. And for me, I just like, especially in the winter, you know, in Wisconsin, you get that seasonal kind of like blah after a while, and Joy is just so good for that. So this is an oil like I use daily, and we were down to our last drop, and London was like, are you going to order more? I'm like, honey, it's going to be here any day. So Joy, love it. Okay. Lime Vitality, was this a free one too? I don't know if I ordered this just to get myself to a certain promotion amount, but lime, oh my goodness. I feel like I need hands raised for how many people love lime that have used Young Living, because this oil is so amazing. It smells so fresh. You can use it in cooking, of course. Like you could use it in mojitos, summertime, yay. Or, you know, anything like that. But it's another one that's just awesome in the diffuser. I know, right, Rashina? Yeah, lime is like amazing. A lot of people tell me lime is their favorite. So orange is probably my favorite citrus, but lime is so good. So anyway, I think this one was free too. And then I'm so excited about this oil. I've wanted this oil for a long time. It's called Highest Potential, and I have no idea how it smells because I've never smelled it. Well, actually, I did smell it at convention, but I was smelling like all different oils and my brain doesn't remember, but I'm sure I liked it. But this oil is one of those you know, oils for emotion things. And a lot of times, especially doing a Young Living business, I feel like you're pushing through so many things like outside of your personality, and like you grow as you're doing your business. You know, I was super shy and didn't like public speaking, and I've grown past that and all these things. And so this is one of those oils that's like more for emotional support and like pushing through things that are holding you back, right? And I want to live life to the fullest. So Highest Potential, I'm excited to start using this oil. Okay, so that was my ER Central Rewards, my monthly auto ship box. But then I got 2 boxes, right? So I was like, I couldn't even remember what the heck this other box was. And I thought maybe they divided my order because sometimes they ship them from 2 different places. But then I remembered as I opened it that this box was me using my ER points. So Young Living has this monthly auto ship program where you get whatever you want each month. You guys just saw all the cool stuff I got for myself. And then they give you like 10 to 25% back in free points that you can order stuff with. So I always spend mine right away because I always want more stuff or need more stuff. So I got, let me see here, I think there's something else in here. I got some more conditioner. I love the Copaiba vanilla conditioner. I love that they're just all natural and you don't have to worry about all the junk that's in most stuff. They say that the average woman uses like 200 chemicals a day on her body, and I don't because I use Young Living, which is really awesome. But this conditioner specifically is great for people with hair like mine that's like kind of thicker or coarser, frizzier. I don't know, right now it's up so you guys can't see, but this makes my hair shiny and smooth and amazing, and my comb or my pick goes right through it, which when you have hair like mine, you know, is really hard. After you wash your hair, you're kind of like, oh, I can't get a comb through it. This, like, it just glides right through, and I've heard that from so many people. So, and you only need a tiny little bit I have really thick hair, and that's amazing to me too. So love the conditioner. So that I got free because I use my monthly order, and how cool is that? And then I got another bottle of Abundance oil, which so funny. When I first started Young Living, I was kind of like, what's this oil about? A bottle of Abundance? That's silly business. But, you know, this oil, it smells really good. And I did a challenge with my team a few months ago that another lady, Melody, had shared on doing. And it was so fun, and my whole team loved it. And we did like positive affirmations paired with oils, and it was fun and amazing. So I used a lot of my bottle that I had on that, and I was like down to my last drop. So I was like, I'm going to get some free abundance because I can get it free with my points. So what a happy day for me, getting 2 boxes on my doorstep. Loved it. So hope you guys are having a good day and enjoyed watching me unbox my stuff. I will let you know how that sleek stuff goes. Be nice to lose a few pounds for sure. So, oh, and I wanted to really quick tell you how excited I am about this mascara. I ordered this at convention because they just came out with it. Or came out with mascara. They had mascara and then they sold out and they were out forever. So I really like it. I used it today for the first time and I feel like it really, you guys can't see, but I really like how it worked on my lashes. And it's different. The brush is really small. I was using just it was like my one last thing in my makeup that still was like kind of probably toxic junk. And I think it was like Revlon or Maybelline or some kind of thing. And the brush is like humongous, you know, to like, I don't know if it makes your lashes bigger or whatever. So that was kind of a learning curve for me being like, okay, what's this little tiny brush here? But it worked really good. And I'm really excited that like finally my makeup is completely toxic chemical free because I've been using all the Savvy for a while, but they didn't have the mascara, so I was still using my old mascara. So anyway, that's back in stock. If any of you are Young Living fans, get it. It's good. I like it a lot. And that's it. So love not my laundry lately. Oh, you haven't had purification, Teresa? I know I need to put that on my order too. It's always so sad that we can only get it in the little bottles now. I wish we could get it in the big ones, but lemongrass kind of is like purification because it's in purification. So anywho, hope you guys are having a great day. And if you're not using Young Living, you should be because it's amazing, right? Okay. Bye, guys.